Hey, what's up guys, TechPunch here, and today we are going to talk about Android 10 or Android 7.0. So some of the new features of the Android N or Android 7.0, the new multi-window mode, the new data saver mode, the quick settings and notification panel, the enhanced doors mode, and the night mode. So let's take a look. The first one over here is the multi-window mode. As you guys seen in the Samsung phones, where you can run two apps at similar time on the same screen by dividing the screen into two halves. And the next one over here is the quick settings and notification panel. Uh, so if you drag down your screen from top to bottom once, you get your quick toggles and your notification panel. The quick toggles, you can change your settings, like you want to switch on or off your Wi-Fi, you want to switch on or off your Bluetooth. You just with one drag you can do it. It's a new feature which comes in Android N, which was not there in Marshmallow or Lollipop. There's one more new feature over here, which is the notification panel. Here you can reply the text, the mails directly through the notification panel. And the next one here is the enhanced doors mode. In the Android N, this is the new doors mode, which works in a two-tier system. First one is the same as the Marshmallow, and the second one is like when your phone goes into deep hibernation mode, or it's not used for like 1 or 2 days, it goes into its enhanced doors mode, which is the new feature of Android N, where the phone uses the minimum battery and gives you a longer battery life. For example, let's say your battery percentage is 70 and you're not using it for around 1 or 2 days. After 1 or 2 days, if you come, the battery percentage will be what, something like 68 or 69%. So I feel that's very good. And the next one over here we get is the data saver mode, through which you can allow apps you want to use your data, and you can allow the apps you don't want to use your data with. So your data is saved, and with your permission you're only letting specific apps to use your data. And the next one is a new settings panel. For example, let's say you're setting your the app has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, and etc. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network called Beam or Belkin, below the Wi-Fi settings, it shows you the Wi-Fi name, and the next one, Bluetooth, it shows you how many devices you are connected to, and the next, data usage and how much data you've used. So I feel opening the settings app and then opening the Wi-Fi and checking which Wi-Fi which thing you are connected to is a very long process. Just to press this in the new Android, and just to press the settings app, and you see all your settings. Wi-Fi, you are connected to Belkin. Bluetooth, you are connected to for example 2 devices. So I feel it's very good, and time saving also. That's all guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.